In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start recording your church services and going live with using your smartphone. Hello, this is David Toller with Supplemental Seminary, offering technology solutions for small churches, and trust you will consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, and then be sure to like the video and to click that bell notification so you don't miss future related content. The first level that I call it is to get started on live streaming would be what I call level number one. And this would be using a device that you already have, your smartphone. And just with a couple items, not spending a lot of money, if you're on a real tight budget, you can start live streaming to one location on Facebook or YouTube. And the first thing is you could use your phone, as you see on the screen right now, whether it be a iPhone, Samsung, or LG device. May be wise to purchase a tripod and a little clip that I have right here that you can see, that you can place that right on and mount that on a tripod, and it will hold your smartphone in there and sideways. And so you have your tripod. And then I also encourage people, if they don't do anything else, be sure that you look and invest in a good microphone. Audio is so important. And if you're using this in the church, there is some wired options that you could plug right into your phone, but also some wireless options as well that I'll link all of the things that I'm talking about in this video in the description below. And so with this simple setup, you got cell phone, tripod. I do have some other things listed as far as a selfie light that you could get on Amazon if you're having some difficulty with some lighting issues, which may come into play because that's so important in live streaming. And then also a cell phone tripod mount, as well as some other things. So be sure to look in the description below. You can start and you can continue on doing these live streams from your church with just a couple accessories, tripod, and then a mount for your phone, a microphone, and just click right on there and start going live on Facebook for your services. And so again, this is level number one, using your smartphone. And be sure to check out the next levels if you're more interested in a more permanent setup. Then you want to click on the video on the screen right now to see levels 2, 3, and 4.